Welcome to Rustbuster's Installation Guide
for Chevy GMC's 2011 to 2018 Silverado and Sierra 2500HD.
Before we begin, if you're uncomfortable with any of the processes listed in this guide, we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you're following all the manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery and inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Prepare or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazards.
Step 2. Our part features a plate that you can remove to fit over your existing front cab mount. If you decide to keep your cab mount, remove the plate at this time. If not, cut off the mount and any obstructions in the work area. Our part also features a perforated plate that you will need to remove to fit over the transmission crossmembers bracket. Remove the plate at this time. Step 3. After removing your perforated plates, hold your frame section up to the frame and mark off its coverage. Then, draw a line approximately half an inch above the bottom of the frame and cut along it. Grind the frame free of rust and debris, revealing bare metal. Spray the work area with a weld-through primer to help prevent against rust development. Step 4. Take your front frame section and slide it onto the frame using the frame holes to help with the alignment. Tap it into place using a hammer. You can clamp your part into place with C-clamps to ensure a tight fit. Following proper welding procedures, tack weld your front frame section onto the frame before welding it on fully. If you decide to remove your front cab mount, we show you how to reinstall it with the installation video on our YouTube channel. Finally, paint the part with primer or other rust inhibitor to help prevent or reduce the risk of rust formation. We recommend our Rustbuster Rust Converter and Primer Spray Paint. Reinstall your vehicle's body. Then you're done.